Welcome back everyone, time for another Python video. This script actually will allow all of the admins out there to actually see which groups are being used within Jira, JSM, and Confluence spaces out there. And also, it will say to us in which roles they are and also which permissions they are actually using. When it's done with the executing, it will output everything in the CSV file, so you can actually be using it as the CSV, and you can also filter everything out more easily because you're going to see how this is actually being exported. So let us start. I'm going to be executing the script right here, and it will actually go, first of all, with all of the possible Jira groups out there. When it's doing that, it's going to also go through all of the projects in here. So one thing that I want to mention is that there is a certain way why everything feels a bit slower. And that is because we don't want to send too many requests to the Atlassian servers because, well, that might actually cause some issues. But in here, I have 34 Jira spaces. For Confluence, I'm not sure, and also I'm not sure for the JSM as well. But it will also detect, as you saw from here, the product discovery project as well. So product discovery also is included as well. So that this is something that is really good. Of course, I will be sending the link of this specific script in my description to my public Bitbucket repository, so you can actually take a look and use it for your own purposes. It's really good that is exporting in the CSV because later you can filter everything out based either on a product, based on the groups that you're actually looking for and that you want to keep an eye out. So yeah, it's really good. It's really good. And also, if you actually saw in here, it also does for the customer service projects as well. Of course, it scans for both company managed and team managed projects as well. So it's a really powerful script out there that could be really handful for the admins, either to actually be aware of which groups not to delete, so everything can actually be safe. All right, so I'm going to pause the video right now, and I'm going to return when everything is done. All right, so everything is done in here. Let me just add it to my Google Drive because, oh well, I don't have Excel. So yeah, we'll have to work with everything that we have. Let me just check something in here first. All right, so it's in document. Okay. All right, so let me go here. Let me go here. Let me go for documents, group usage. There we go. All right, so let me just refresh this a bit. It's not taking a lot of time, so this is the outcome of what you will be saying. Of course, if you have Excel, please use it. I don't have it because, to be honest, I don't want to pay for it. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening this with, okay, that's weird. Open with Google Sheets. Everything is gonna be better with Google Sheets, of course. All right, there we go. So Now we have the product, we have the group, project key, and we also have the project name and the role that is being used. For example, this right here, the core experience is, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is a product discovery one, but as you can see right here, we have site admins. And indeed, site admins are actually in here. And if I go with the roles, it's saying administrator and the creator. And this is because member is not recognized as the creator. It's being recognized as member. And if I go for the legal team, for example, it's here. And if I go for the space settings, and if I go here, I can see site admins, and I can see that there are 3 roles that have been added to them. So these are administrator, member, and the viewer. And as you can see from here, administrator, viewer, and the member. Alright, so let's go for some JSM stuff. For example, commercial legal service desk. Let's go for that one, commercial legal service desk. Alright, in here. And now let's go for space settings. Let's go for people and access. So loading, there we go. So first of all, we're having our site admins, indeed. So commercial legal service desk. In here, we have JSM demo agents, which is also correct. And we can see administrators and the service desk team. That's right. And also we had the commercial service desk team in here. I believe so. It shouldn't be. It should have been there. All right, commercial service desk. There we go. It's right there. As I said, you can just filter it out however you would like. All right, and also maybe the most questionable one. Confluence. All right, employee onboarding. Let's go, employee onboarding. There we go, the very first one. Even easier for us. So from here, we're gonna go for space settings. Then we're gonna go for users. Now in here we have, yeah, of course, we have org admins and we have site admins in here. And there's like a lot of org admins going on. Site admins as well. So yeah, there are like a lot of things, and especially org admins. It goes by one. Atlassian add-ons admin, employee onboarding as well. And also it says to you what actually can be done, which is a great thing, especially with the updated users within the Confluence. So basically that's it for today's video. Really powerful script. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you everyone in the next video. See ya.